Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to open mobile Chrome tabs on desktop. You can open mobile Chrome tabs on your desktop by sending them via the Send to Your Devices option after signing into the same Google account on both devices. Alternatively, you can access a list of open tabs from your mobile device in your desktop Chrome's history menu under tabs from other devices. First method, send a tab from phone to your desktop. Ensure sync is enabled. Then make sure both your phone and computer are signed into the same Google account in Chrome. Open the tab you want to share with. On your phone, open the specific tab you wish to open on your computer. Access the Share menu. Tap the address bar and select the Share icon. Often looks like a box with an arrow pointing out. Send to your device. In the Share menu, tap Send to your devices and select your computer from the list. Open on your computer. A notification will appear on your desktop. Click the notification to open the tab. Next method, access open tabs from your desktop history. Open Chrome on your desktop. Go to History, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and click History. Then click History again. Find tabs from other devices in the left-hand menu. Click on tabs from other devices. View and open. Expand the list for your phone to see the tabs that currently open on your mobile device. Click on any tab to open it on your desktop, or just click on Open a New tab on the pop-up menu. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.